Hey guys, Mick Satcher again from sellmymortgagenoteforcash.com. And in this tip on how to create the perfect note, I'm going to share something that's very, very important. So pay attention to it. If you haven't already, please go to my website, sellmymortgagenoteforcash.com. Click on the link below and get access to my free step-by-step blueprint that I created for you called the Note Holder's Guide. Discover how to maximize your note's value. In it, it tells you everything you ever wanted to know about creating a promissory note and how to sell your note to someone like myself who's a private mortgage note investor. If you don't know this already, if you have a promissory note right now that you're receiving monthly payments on, like a land contract or a mortgage or something like that, and you don't want to receive monthly payments anymore and you'd rather sell it to someone, I'm the guy who will buy it. Within 48 to 72 hours of you giving me all the information that I need, all the documents that I need to review, I will make you a cash offer for that note. Okay? It's a huge, huge thing to understand and to know. A lot of people don't know that people like me will buy it. And since I'm a small-time investor, I only buy about 2 notes a month. I don't have a big overhead. I don't have a big fancy office or anything like that. I can offer you top dollar and offer you more cash than most people out there. So please pay attention to that and contact me. Go to my website, sellmymortgagenoteforcash.com, because that's the only way you can contact me. Once you go there, you'll give me your name and email address and your phone number, and I'll send you a text, and I will send you an email with my contact information. Okay, that's the only way to get a hold of me. All right, today we're going to talk about the unfortunate circumstance of what happens sometimes in the mortgage note business. Or let's say you created a note, everything was going hunky-dory and everything was good, but then they stopped paying and you had to foreclose on them. And now you took the property back. Ugh. Now what? Well, this video is going to be nice and short. If you took the property back, it's time to get your, big boy pants on, time to get your hands dirty. Go out there to the property, inspect it. Once they've been kicked out, obviously, and once they've been asked to, leave by the sheriff, and go see if the property's in damage, disrepair, whatever it is, whatever you need to do, figure it out, and fix up the property. Make it nice again, and rinse and repeat. Resell the property again by giving someone a note, or by providing owner financing, or just sell it on the open market. Or sell it to someone like myself who not only do I buy private mortgage notes, I buy real estate as well. As long as I can buy real estate at a good discount price and I can go in there, fix it up and resell it and make money, I will buy that mortgage. I will buy that mortgage and I will buy that house no matter where it is. So please contact me that way if maybe you have a note that you foreclosed on and now you have the house and you're like, oh crap, man, I don't want to do this again. Call me up. I'll buy that house from you. Okay? Also, if you're in the middle of foreclosing and you realize that this note is no longer paying on time and it's a delinquent note, I will still buy that mortgage note even if it's delinquent. Okay? If the borrower is delinquent, you're not going to get the best price, obviously, because I'm taking a huge risk by doing that. Because I have to now buy it and take the risk and then foreclose on them, so on and so forth. But I will still buy it, believe it or not. There's not too many people out there who will buy a delinquent note, but I will. So that's a tip for today. Like I said, it was nice and sweet and short and sweet. If you can, please give me a YouTube thumbs up on this video. By doing that, it shares with me that you are enjoying the content, and it shares with YouTube that I'm creating something of value. And it tells YouTube not to kick me off this thing and keep my videos up and running. And then please comment below if you have any questions or comments or anything like that. Please comment below and we can chit-chat that way. And please take the YouTube URL and share it with your friends or whatever. I think you can share it even by clicking below. I don't know. I'm not that fancy on all this technology stuff. But share it with your friends on Facebook. Share it, tweet it. With whoever your friends on Twitter, Instagram it, Snapchat it, do whatever you got to do with it. Please. All right? By sharing it, it really tells more people about this opportunity for them to sell their note. And I am looking to buy notes. I look to buy about 2 notes a month. And usually within 48 to 72 hours from getting all the information that I need from you, I will be able to offer you cash for your note. So thank you so much. Go to my website, sellmymortgagenoteforcash.com if you haven't already, and download the free step-by-step blueprint that I created called the Note Holder's Guide. Discover how to maximize your note's value. It'll give you everything you never needed to know about the promissory note and how to create the perfect note. All right, thank you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.